This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can wrap text around an image in Google Docs. When you place an image in Google Docs, it's treated like a piece of text, so it follows the cursor. So when I insert text into the document, and I'm just going to copy and paste it, it's going to place the text in the next spot that the cursor would appear. So this image is like a word, and then the word "the" in this paragraph is the second word. But let's suppose I want the text to wrap around the image. So maybe I want to have this image here on the left and then have the text appear to the right of the image. What you need to do is you need to click on that picture, and then down here, you will get some options on how you want your text to appear. If you want your picture to appear in line with the text, which means treating the image like it's a word, then you can keep it at its default. And when you do that, you can move the picture around the text and it will appear as if it's just another word in the sentence. But if I want the text to wrap around the image, you want to click the second box, which is wrap text. And when you do that, the text will appear around the picture. So if I want to move the picture here to the middle of the screen, then it will break up the text like that. Or if I want the picture to be on the right, it will appear like this, and you can play around with it until you get your desired result. You can also change the margin, and that means the amount of space between the picture and the text. So let's say I didn't want any margin between the picture and the text. It would put the text right up against that image. So this video shows you how to get text to wrap around an image in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.